Seiko has been making serious moves in the solar watch world, combining Japanese watchmaking with technology that keeps your watch running without constantly thinking about batteries. From rugged Prospex divers to precision-focused chronographs and advanced GPS models, these watches offer a lot more than just convenience. Today, we're counting down some of the most impressive Seiko solar watches available, and trust me, you'll want to see what takes the number 3 spot. Let's get started. Number 8. Seiko Prospex Solar Diver SNE 589, a watch that brings genuine dive watch credibility into Seiko's solar lineup without cutting any corners on capability. The dial layout follows classic Prospex design language, with bold, luminous markers and hands built for underwater legibility in low-light conditions. Water resistance is rated for serious diving use, not just poolside wear, and the unidirectional rotating bezel operates with the precise, satisfying clicks divers rely on for timing their dives accurately. The solar movement charges from any light source and stores enough reserve power to keep running through extended periods without direct sunlight exposure. Reviewers frequently point out how this model captures the rugged, purposeful character of Seiko's more expensive automatic divers while removing the need for winding or regular servicing entirely. The case construction feels substantial on the wrist without becoming uncomfortable for daily wear. For buyers who want genuine dive capability paired with zero-maintenance convenience, the SNE 589 makes an easy case for solar over automatic in this category, especially for anyone who actually takes their watch into the water. The strap or bracelet options add further versatility, letting owners switch between a rugged rubber band for active use and a more polished bracelet for everyday errands without missing a beat. Number 7. Seiko Prospex Solar SNE 5018, a model that takes the dependable Prospex dive watch formula and refines it into a slightly more compact, everyday-friendly package. The dial retains the bold, high-contrast design Prospex watches are known for, ensuring quick readability whether you're checking the time underwater or across a dark room. Solar charging eliminates the battery replacement cycle entirely, meaning this watch keeps running reliably year after year with essentially no upkeep required from the owner. Water resistance and a durable stainless steel case make it a genuinely practical daily wear option, not just a display piece. The screw-down crown adds an extra layer of water-sealing confidence for anyone who swims or dives regularly. Reviewers consistently highlight how this model manages to feel like a serious tool watch, while remaining comfortable enough for extended daily wear on a smaller wrist. For buyers who want authentic Prospex dive styling without the bulk of larger diver models, the SNE 518 strikes a smart balance between capability and everyday wearability that's hard to find elsewhere in this price range. The lug shape and case finishing also help it sit comfortably under a shirt cuff, making it just as easy to wear into the office as it is on a weekend outdoors. Number 6. Seiko Speedtimer Solar SSC 8113, instantly recognizable thanks to its classic panda dial layout. That chronograph fans immediately gravitate toward. The white background, black subdials, and red accents create a combination that feels sporty, clean, and unmistakably motorsport-inspired, carrying real racing chronograph heritage into a modern, everyday-friendly design. At around 39 millimeters, the proportions make it easy to wear daily while still giving it enough wrist presence to stand out. Instead of a traditional automatic chronograph movement, this model runs on Seiko's solar-powered chronograph movement, meaning it charges from light and delivers reliable accuracy without ever needing to be wound or have its battery replaced. It also features a working chronograph function, a 24-hour display, and a date window, adding real everyday practicality alongside the striking design. Reviewers repeatedly note that this watch takes Seiko's racing DNA, adds modern solar convenience, and packages it inside one of the best-looking chronograph designs in the entire collection. An easy watch to recommend for daily wear. You can pair it casually with a t-shirt, dress it up with a jacket, or wear it to a track day, and it never once feels out of place in any of those settings. Number 5. Seiko Prospex Solar Diver SNE 573, a watch that leans into bold, high-visibility styling while keeping true dive watch functionality front and center. The dial uses a vivid color scheme with oversized luminous markers, designed specifically to stay legible in murky water or low-light diving conditions where every second of visibility matters. The rotating bezel and screw-down crown reinforce the watch's genuine dive-ready construction, rather than simply borrowing dive watch aesthetics for style points. Solar charging means the movement stays powered indefinitely from ambient or direct light, removing the battery anxiety that traditional quartz divers can create for serious divers. Water resistance is rated well beyond casual swimming, making this a legitimate option for anyone who actually plans to use their watch underwater. Reviewers often highlight how this model manages to stand out visually on a crowded wrist shot, while still delivering the practical dive specifications experienced divers actually look for. For buyers who want their diver to be noticed as much as trusted, the SNE 573 checks both boxes convincingly at a genuinely accessible price point. The contrast between the case finish and the bold dial coloring also makes it one of the more distinctive watches in this entire countdown, standing out clearly even in a lineup full of capable divers. Number 4. Seiko Prospex Solar Chronograph, SSC 807. A watch built for buyers who want serious timing functionality wrapped inside genuine dive watch durability. The dial layout combines chronograph subdials with the bold, high-contrast markers Prospex watches are known for, keeping everything legible even during fast-paced timing situations. The solar movement provides dependable accuracy while eliminating the recurring cost and hassle of battery replacements that traditional chronographs typically require over years of ownership. Water resistance and a robust case construction mean this watch can handle genuine outdoor and water-based activity without hesitation. The rotating bezel adds an additional practical timing function beyond the chronograph pushers themselves, giving divers and outdoor users more than one way to track elapsed time. Reviewers frequently describe this model as one of the more underrated combinations of chronograph utility and dive watch toughness currently available from Seiko. For buyers who want a genuinely capable tool watch rather than a watch that only looks the part, the SSC 807 delivers real substance behind its rugged good looks. It's a watch that feels equally at home strapped on during a hike, worn at the office, or taken along on a weekend trip without ever feeling like the wrong choice for the occasion. Number 3. Seiko Prospex Speedtimer Solar, SSC 911. What makes this one genuinely surprising is how it manages to feel like a completely different watch from the standard Speedtimer lineup, despite sharing the same racing-inspired foundation. The dial finishing and color execution on this particular reference give it a noticeably more premium, refined presence than buyers typically expect from a solar chronograph in this price range. The solar movement delivers the same reliable, low-maintenance accuracy Seiko's solar chronographs are known for, while the chronograph function itself feels precise and satisfying to operate, with pushers that respond with real tactile confidence. Water resistance and a durable case construction round out a watch built for genuine daily use, not just occasional wear. Reviewers who expected just another Panda dial chronograph have consistently been caught off guard by how distinct and elevated this specific model feels on the wrist. That unexpected twist is exactly why it earns the number 3 spot. It quietly outperforms the expectations most buyers walk in with. Once you actually see it in person or on someone's wrist, it becomes clear why so many reviewers describe this specific reference as the sleeper hit of the entire modern Speedtimer lineup. Number 2. Seiko Astron GPS Solar, widely regarded as one of the most technically advanced watches Seiko produces, solar or otherwise. This model combines solar charging with GPS satellite syncing, allowing the watch to correct itself to the exact local time zone anywhere on the planet at the press of a button, a level of convenience no automatic movement can physically replicate. The titanium case construction keeps the watch impressively lightweight on the wrist despite its substantial, premium presence. Water resistance and sapphire crystal protection add genuine everyday durability alongside the refined finishing expected from Seiko's flagship solar line. Reviewers consistently rank this among the most practical watches available for frequent travelers, since it eliminates the need to manually adjust the time when crossing time zones. The dial design balances technical detail with clean legibility, avoiding the cluttered look some GPS watches fall into. For buyers who want the absolute cutting edge of what Seiko's solar engineering can deliver, the Astron GPS Solar remains one of the strongest arguments for solar over automatic at the premium end of the lineup. Frequent flyers in particular describe it as the closest thing to a truly effortless travel watch, since there's genuinely nothing to adjust after landing in a new country. Number 1. Seiko Prospex Solar Diver from the S&E series, representing everything that makes Seiko's Solar Dive watches so consistently well-regarded among collectors and everyday buyers alike. The design carries authentic Prospex dive watch DNA, respected worldwide for decades of real underwater use rather than just display case styling. Water resistance meets genuine diving standards, and the unidirectional rotating bezel operates. With the precise, confident clicks serious divers depend on when timing their dives. The solar movement charges reliably from any light source and stores enough reserve power to keep running for extended stretches without direct sunlight, something automatic movements simply cannot match once left unworn. Reviewers consistently highlight how this series manages to combine genuine dive capability, Seiko's respected design heritage, and true zero-maintenance convenience into one dependable package. It's the kind of watch you can wear daily, take into the water, and forget about entirely between charges. That combination of trust, capability, and convenience is exactly why the S&E series earns the top spot on this entire list. When a watch this dependable also happens to look genuinely great on the wrist, it becomes very hard to argue for anything else in this category, solar or automatic.